Okay, recording is started. So guys, what happens now in references, any whether it is a movie or whether it is you guys or wanted to create a model, the references are very important for you. So whether it is a side, whether it is front, so you should keep proper references with you before you will make your models. So you should create your model map so that you can have properly, you can open and see which you wanted to take, how you wanted to sculpt, so which area may, what kind of detail that you can able to give. So multiple references that you keep along with you, so that it will be easier for you to sculpt it also. Okay, so keep the lines out, so like this, and at the same time the front area is fine, and try to create a one back side area also. Side is also is very important. You got, this is the side, this is the front. You can able to see here, you will get your front and side, so both the looks are here itself. Here itself, and you keep one more area where you can try to understand one character to another character. There are a lot of concepts are here. There are a lot of concepts in a different style, so you guys can choose any one of them. Can you see the concept art? So this is how people will draw first and keep along with them, then they'll try to implement it. Face side reference. Side के लिए you can take this, so easily you can able to understand. This is one of the way to understand side references are very important. See, the design can be taken from anywhere. The side look में it can be any detail. Okay, it can be any detail. So I have kept it, most of the files are here which you guys can able to see and try to implement things. Okay, I have seen a lot of files are like this for you. This is one of the references for us. This is one of the references. So I have came to Zbrush, and Zbrush में for me this many days what we used to do is we used to try to do what is in division polygons. So now what I am going to do is we'll try to take Dynasphere. Okay, Dynasphere is with you, is here. Double click and take. This is the Dynasphere. It is in editing mode right now, so you can edit as well. And Dynasphere पे what happens is when you are modify and do the Dynasphere, so here when you are modifying the Dynasphere, your meshes will be like this. Okay, so geometry में you will have a Dynamesh. Geometry and your Dynamesh. There is an option called Dynamesh. If you click Dynamesh, whatever you have done, no, so it will retrace it. If I can able to scale it like this very far and all that in Dynasphere. So if I can able to click this again, it will retrace it. So anything that you scale it and try to do it, nothing is going to spoil your mesh. But it is in 62. The base creating base in 62 is a good number, so you don't have to do worry about it. First create it, later on you can shift, hold and smooth it. Later on you can decrease and increase the numbers are here, okay, in the Dynasphere. So now we are creating today in the Dyna mesh. So for us, Dyna mesh is the major option, and we are going to sculpt with Control Z is the your major option. So now today, so try to take this. So what is happening here is hide this, okay. In a Dynasphere is you can turn this is, and as you know, the skull is in the front area will be like this, right? So first try to, our duty to create what is that skull. Skull is very important. If skull is not good, I don't think so that we can make a great model for it. So creating skull is the our major duty. To do that, you make your brushes little bit bigger so that things will work out well. Hmm. Again you can create it, and try to, when you are creating it, the skull, first our motto is to create a skull, nothing else. Mm. Mm. Down, this is your neck area. Mm. 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 Make it little bigger and try to create a outer part first. So look and feel outside creating neatly is very important for you. So try to create as good you can. You can create this skull also. See, I am taking only move brush. I am not using any other tool is here. So So this is, you should create first base. Base should be neat. Anatomy should be neat. Later on you can sculpt anything. That is not a problem. First try to fulfill the bases neatly. So now what I will do is, I'll go to the clay brush and minus, I'll just hit little bit up here. Hmm. Hmm. Now we got one shape, right? Once you get the one shape, I'll try to move this area. For me here, because your monitor is like this, what is it? Your projector is in the horizontal way, so that the model is looking like that. Once I'll see in the PC, it will be a neat and clean screen. Okay. So what happens is, you should see how much I want depth, how much I want the width, and where I should able to get things are. These things you should have a clear cut idea, so that it will be easier for you to sculpt the area. So this is the skull for me, and I'll mix it like this. And here what I will do is, from here the middle piece down may, I'll try to bring it here like this. This is the middle face of the area. This is your clay brush. Clear? So same line goes to back. Same line goes to back area. Now what will happen is, from here this is the part, and this is your middle area. This is your middle area. Again your take your dam standard, and your, this is your back area, correct? So here, from here you should create a your own. First you should get everything, that which play part where it will come. You should measure properly, where is eyes, where is the nose, where things is going to come. So try to plan as well. So how you guys will plan? So take your brush. What is that? Standard one. Standard may, you can able to tell and create it like this. Standard may, you should able to create it like this. So here the brushes will go up and down. So brushes you need to worry about it. So you should worry about the parts are here like this. Here it will be like this. So for me, in order to sculpt a little bit neat, this this is there, no? What is that? Uh, your resolution is 64, right? So I'll keep around, this is 120. Yes, yes. So mesh will going to be increased, but what happens now? You will get little bit of smooth model. Model will be little smooth. So here, what I'll do is try to create, come down, come down, come down, hold Alt, go to the minus brush in the standard brush itself and create it here. So try to create the shapes first. If shapes are there, no, it is easy the task for you. Division the mesh division properly. So if you do that is a properly, later on you can create neat jobs easier for you. So easy jobs always it will give you the work for you. So you should not worry. First create a neat job for you. This is all your scribbling. So try to create a one here. You have shift right, increase your brush, B and smooth it also. Later on we can come back and see. You don't need to worry about it. First round I will save the file once. I'll save the file once. Save as D drive and there's a folder called name1. So here I have saved. If you see the references, I have done in this area, but this area still I am not familiar with this is the side area. So we'll come back. There are a lot of work to do still, but what happens is you should not giddy biddy when you guys are sculpting the character. Or sir, I will do hurry burry, a half an hour may I'll sculpt it and I'll keep it. I am master in this. You will be master later on also. So you will not be able to handle which area where it is going. It will not be in our control. Later on we should be in their control. We should not be like that. First we should keep always, we should be a master to edit our mesh. We should be a master. Zbrush should not be a master. So when you are riding the bike, what will happen is you will control, right? Bike will not control you. Same thing, mesh we should control. Mesh should not control us. So keep this is up. So I'm trying to create the mesh is up is here, and before trying to create that mesh is up, so here I'll create a dynamesh and smooth it. At the same time here hmm, 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 hmm. So first try to create a shape. Slowly down create a shape. The first thing is require the shape. Again go back to the dam standard, and you know how to create a island areas are here like a day. So keep this is, try to hit. You might say that, you know, sir, the something is breaking here, mesh and all that. What we should do, we should scratch like this and try to come out of it. You should not sit for a very long time on the same scratch. Okay, and same thing is here also. Again your clay. So clay you should not leave, you should keep on adding on it. You should keep on adding on it. Move tool. This area should go inside. This area should go inside. Down area, no? So pull this is little bit of inside. So I feel here this shape is whatever shape that we are getting here, so it is too big, so try to avoid this shape how much you can. So here try to pull this area also. So check which line is you wanted to come. So try to pull this area. this area and try to keep this as pull this area and try to see one by one. So take the move tool and try to move it little bit front में. So but what I will do is I will not sculpt more than this. I'll stop it. You guys will get heavy then. So it is better to stop it here and try to tell you the next upcoming details by tomorrow, right? So that is better, that would be easier for you also.